Hello everyone, this is Chance Brazel with Delta Canine Solutions here with board and train Bentley. Bentley's finishing our board and train program this weekend and he is a hoot. So we're going to show you some very valuable tasks that's very valuable in the home. Some tasks like going to place, going to his kennel, coming when called, and coming to us and doing a downstay until he's told to release. Here. Good boy. No, here. Good. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Good job. Good job. Oh, that's a good boy, Bentley. Yeah, it's a good boy. That's a good job. Okay, kennel. As you can see, Bentley went to his kennel. He stays in his kennel until we call him out of his kennel. So I'm going to call him out of his kennel now. Bentley, here. Place. Good job. Here. Good boy. Good job, buddy. That's nice work. That's a nice job. That's a nice job. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, Bentley. Here. Bentley, here. Good boy. That's a nice job. Very good boy. Yeah. We work for belly rubs, don't we? That's a nice job. Thank y'all for watching.